Like, when did life turn into this mix of responsibilities, random small anxieties, and a Google search history that screams, "Am I doing this right?" Yeah, welcome to adulthood, apparently. Here's something I wish someone told me earlier. Nobody feels like an adult, not really. We all thought there'd be this magical moment where we'd suddenly feel confident, stable, mature. But nope, you just wake up one day paying bills, doing laundry, and hoping your life doesn't collapse like a Jenga tower. And the people who look like they have it all together? They're just better at hiding the chaos. I think part of why we feel lost is because our identity changes faster than we realize. You go from being surrounded by friends all the time to barely having the energy to reply to a text. You go from dreaming big to just trying to make it through Tuesday. You go from knowing exactly who you were to not recognizing the person in the mirror sometimes. And nobody warns you that outgrowing old versions of yourself feels a lot like losing them. Then there's the pressure. Oh my God, the pressure. Everyone online is waking up at 5 a.m., drinking green sludge, running a business, journaling, meditating. And meanwhile, you're like, "I did the dishes today. That's enough." And honestly, it is enough sometimes. Life is not supposed to feel like a never-ending self-improvement project. You're allowed to just exist. At some point, you hit this moment where you just look at your life and think, "Damn, I thought I'd be farther ahead by now." And that moment humbles you. It makes you question your timeline, your choices, your expectations. But here's something that surprised me. That moment isn't a failure. It's actually the start of clarity. Finding yourself doesn't happen in a big dramatic way. There's no soundtrack, no movie moment. It happens slowly. It's you choosing to walk away from things that drain you. You notice you're more patient, more grounded, a little more you than you were before. Everyone's timeline looks different. Some people peak early, some people peak later. Some people reinvent themselves 6 times before they get it right. You're doing better than you think.